Hello everyone, welcome to the ICT course, Information and Communication Technology. We are going to learn from the ICT Cambridge book. This is the cover of the book we'll be learning from. Chapter 15, Proofing, Widows and Orphans Removing Blank Pages or Slides. So, we will be talking about removing blank pages and slides, and about widows and orphans found on page 140 and 141. So let's begin. So what are widows and orphans? An orphan is the name given to the first line of a paragraph. The first line should be separated from the rest of the paragraph by a page break. So how does it work? First, we should go to the page layout in Microsoft Word, and when I click on it, I'll see those tools. I will choose Break Page button, which says Insert Page and Section Breaks. So I'll click on it. And as you can see, it separated the first line from the rest of the paragraph. So the first line is called the orphan, and the two lines here in the middle represent the break page. So next, put the insertion point in the paragraph that has either the widow or orphan text. We should put the cursor on the paragraph we have in order to apply the widow or orphan text. So let's see how. First of all, we should click on Paragraph Settings where you can see the red circle. So this window will open. The first window is found in Microsoft Word 2007. However, the second window is found in Microsoft Word 2013. Second of all, we will click on Line and Page Breaks, since once this window opens, it opens directly on indents and spacing. So we should click on Lines and Page Breaks. Third of all, we should click Widow Orphan Control and press OK, so that the widow and orphan control is applied. Also, let's see how we can remove blank pages or slides. For example, we have these two empty pages. On the first page, we have a text, as you can see, and on the second page, we have a picture and a text. Now, I will delete the picture and the text from the second page. So, this blank page must be deleted now. So I will delete it by clicking the Delete button found in Microsoft Word. So now, as you can see, I'm left with just page 1. It is usually preferred not to leave any blank page in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint or Excel. So this was about widows and orphans and removing blank pages or slides.